Intuitive display window, bright lights, eye-catching. Large interior space, able to hold 860-1200 items. Expanded capacity, increasing the overall product capacity by 70%. Multi-layer commodity display platform, increase the desire to buy. 32 touch screen, easier for product selecting and advertisement. The UI interface can be brand customized. Advertisement for extra income. All-in-one cashless code payment, compatible with mobile phone payment. Precise positioning, intelligent elevator and smooth dispensing. Anti-drop, anti-smash and no deformation, able to deal with glass bottles and fragile products and can ensure their safety while being dispensed. Suitable for sell cultural products, innovative products, brand figurines, fine food and toys, handicrafts, toy building blocks. Auto pickup door, light reminder, intelligent anti-pinching. Wider application scenarios, infinite business opportunities in limited space. The machine can be installed in large supermarkets, station halls, cinemas, entertainment venues, commercial pedestrian streets, video game malls, attractions, amusement parks, airports.